Welcome back to the channel, guys. Donnie and D back at you. So this is going to be a continue on to my previous video that I published. Excuse me. Laundry room next to the office comforts here. Okay, but anyway, like I was saying, this is going to be a continuation to the glass backsplash tips install. Previous video that I uploaded. This is going to be actually installing the entire backsplash. Obviously, I'm going to speed up so you're not here for 3 hours for this. But I'll just go over again what I'm using and what's going on here. So, using a 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch square notch trowel. I'm using a flat drywall plastic taping knife to flatten out the ridges to get proper coverage. And I'm just using a grout float that is, in decent shape to embed the tile. And then I pretty much set all this area in one day. It was a long day. It was about a 10 or 12 hour day. But I was able to get all cut in and set in one day. And again, this project I did back in summer of 21. All these clips. So if you do have any questions about this install, just leave in the comments section below and I'll try to help you out. But another backsplash install for this video. Okay, so here we are the next day. I was able to set all this yesterday. All this glass mosaic. And I guess you could consider them large format. They're not 3 inches by 3 inches, but they're, you know, some of the sides are longer, more like 6 inches by 1 to 2 inches, roughly. But I was able to wrap it around here and then bring it up there, so that way you don't see any of the wall. A little nice detail there. A little bit of a gap to the cabinets for expansion there. That'll get filled with caulk. One around here and around there. So that's where we're at right now. We're going to grout this in with unsanded grout. We're actually using my pay today. Let that dry for a little while. Then we're going to caulk and silicone where necessary. Okay, here we are. Everything is grouted in, silicone and caulked where necessary. Outlets are back in. Everything is cleaned up, washed down, ready to go for the client. There's another install complete. Glass mosaics.